Hey everybody, how's it going? What I want to show you here is how to change these social icons on the left to be the social icons that you have. I don't want you to be restricted to the social icons in the theme. Let me show you how I changed, for example, the Vimeo icon to this mail icon. So when you click on that, it opens up the your mail app, and it automatically will email your email. But I want to actually show you how to not only do that, but change one of the existing templates for the social icons into one that you have. In this case, I think I'm going to change Tumblr because I don't have one of those. I have a LinkedIn account, and I want to actually add the LinkedIn icon there. So if we go to Shopify, you can see here if I go to Customize and then click on the header and then click on Settings. Actually, I think you could just click on Settings. You don't even need to click on the header. Let's see. Then click on Social Media, and you can see under Vimeo, I've got mail to : and then my email, and it's got the mail icon instead of the Vimeo icon. So let me show you how I changed the Vimeo icon to the mail icon. So if you click on Online Store and then click on these three dots over here on the right, click on Edit Code. Okay, clear away this stuff. Click on, or type in social, and then social-icons.liquid. Click on that. At the bottom, what I did was I looked for the last one, right? Because I want to kind of work my way up. And the last one is Vimeo. So I can see here it says render icon-Vimeo. So you can actually click on this arrow here to go right there. And you can see here, this is what is telling this Vimeo piece of code here, this social piece of code here for Vimeo to have an icon. So it's using what is called an SVG, which is sort of like a code version of an image. And it's using that for the Vimeo icon. Now what I did was I used ChatGPT to replace the Vimeo icon, SVG, with the mail icon. So I'm going to do that actually with Tumblr. So I'm going to go here, grab end if, all the way up to if. I'm going to not do that. I'm going to go to render icon Tumblr. I'm going to grab this SVG code, copy it, go to ChatGPT, and I'm going to say, make the icon a LinkedIn icon. So hopefully this will change the Tumblr icon to a LinkedIn icon. How great is this? So while it's generating that, I just want to kind of not confuse you. Let me show you what I did. So I went to social. So in the code area, I typed in social. Then I found social-icons.liquid. And then over here, I'm going to the one I want to replace the icon for. And in this case, I'm looking for Tumblr. So I'm looking for icon-Tumblr. And if I hover over it, I see this arrow. I'm going to click on the arrow, and that brings me to the SVG. I'm going to copy all of this SVG code. I'm going to bring it into ChatGPT, and I'm just going to write, make the icon a LinkedIn icon. I'm going to paste it and then generate it. So here we go. I'm going to copy what it generated for me, and I'm going to put that back into Shopify. I'm going to save. All right, I'm just going to cross my fingers and hope that worked. I'm going to exit out of here, go back over to Customize. Then I'm going to go to Theme Settings. Yeah, I didn't have to click on the header. I'll go to Theme Settings here on the left, this gear icon. And then I'm going to scroll down to Social Media. I'm going to find Tumblr, and I'm going to put my LinkedIn address under Tumblr. Now you can change the code even more to change this from Tumblr to LinkedIn, but I don't care, honestly. I just want the icon to change, in which it did. I don't like the way it looks, but it did change. And there it's going to link to LinkedIn. I'm going to hit save. Right. This is how you know it's a live one take video. Let's change the way that LinkedIn icon looks. We've got it linked, but I don't like the way it looks. So let's go back to the code. Social icons. Go back here. Watch this. So I can go to ChatGPT. I can take a screenshot of these. I'm going to just say copy here. So I'm using, this is Windows. So I just did Windows icon Shift S to take a screenshot of what I don't like about what it generated. I'm going to paste it in here, Control V, into ChatGPT, and I'm going to say, I don't like the way the LinkedIn icon looks. Can you please fix it? I wonder if it's because of copyright issues that it can't actually generate it properly. Let's see if that's the case. Okay. Generated something for me. I'm going to hit save. Then I'm going to go back to the site. Oh, that's 1,000,000 times better. Check that out. I can actually change the envelope icon too, because it's kind of too high. I want to make it horizontal. I don't like the way the mail icon looks. Can you make it less vertical and more horizontal? Thanks. Here's a revised SVG for the mail icon. So let's get that ready. So that's done. So LinkedIn looks good. So I'm going to hover over icon-Vimeo, the icon that I replaced with the mail icon. And I'm just going to get this area ready to be replaced with the ChatGPT code. Yeah, so I'm going to say copy, go back to Shopify, paste it, and let's see if it looks better. It looks worse. It looks kind of clean actually, but it didn't register with me right away. Make it look more like an envelope. More like. Does look cleaner though. Don't be afraid to tweak things over and over again. Being meticulous is not a bad thing. Let's see if that looks better. Try again. I don't like the border around it. Make it look like. Let's try again. I don't like the black border around it. Save. That's fine. We're going to keep it like that. Okay, hopefully that's helpful, and that's how you can customize your social icons. Use ChatGPT in your favor in this case. It's a really good assistant, and I'm not even sure how I would do that without ChatGPT. I'd probably have to scour the internet for SVG codes and stuff. So this was much easier. Have a good one. Thanks.